I just cut the sticker here on my new piece from JORD. Guys, look at this presentation. Oh my goodness. So we have a cleaning cloth. And we have this beautiful box. And then we have a pen of some sort here. Let me see if I can get that to focus for you guys. Yes, a pen of some sort. And then of course return labels if you need them. But let's look at this beautiful, beautiful box. Oh my goodness. So this is perfect for gift giving, for graduations, for everything like that. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys what's inside. Okay, it takes 2 hands to open these boxes. So here we go, and I got out the pen as well, so you can see this is a finishing oil. This is to help preserve the wood for the JORD watch. Now, this is your presentation. Isn't that precious? I love the little burlap pillow. And these watches are just beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this off. And you give them your measurements when you order, so it's already pre-sized. If you're ordering this for a gift, you would need to have some sort of wrist measurement. This is the Cassia, and you see a little tag here, the gold details. And then on the back, so you can see here, this is fully opened up, and this one has been engraved with "Teach me to number my days," a very appropriate scripture to go on a watch. Now it does come with a protective plastic over it so that everything stays pretty on your crystal. And I am not going to put mine on just yet because I have some cleaning to do this afternoon. But you can see I have relatively small hands, and this is a decent sized watch face. So if you are like me and your vision is perhaps not what it was when you were 20, this is also an excellent size for keeping track of the time. So this is my unboxing of the JORD watch, and again, this is the Cassia series, and it is one of the beautiful watches available from JORD, and we will be showing you more about this on the blog. We'll see you there. Bye.